Let's learn Drop It Low. It's choreographed by Kathleen VanBuskirk. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Drop It Low. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do forward and back cross points. So we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly over our left. Point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot forward and over your right, and point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to step our right foot back and behind our left. Point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot back and behind your right, and point your right toe to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to rock back with our right foot. Recover onto your left. You're going to shuffle forward with your right, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. Step forward with your left to a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock, and then shuffle forward with your left, stepping left, forward, right together, left, forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just finished our last back point. You're going to rock back with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine to the right with a hop and clap. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to hop both feet together and clap your hands. We're now going to do a right V step. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot into the diagonal, step your right foot back center, and then step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn. So you're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to step back with your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock, and then step forward with your left. We're now going to do toe switches. So you're going to point your right toe to the right side, quickly step your right next to your left, and point your left toe to the left side. Quickly step your left next to your right, and then we're going to do 2 stomps forward, right, left. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your jazz box quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left, starting with your cross points. Cross point, back point, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Grapevine with a hop and clap, you step out, out and in. Jazz box quarter turn, point, step, stomp, stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Cross point, back point, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Grapevine with a hop and clap, you step out, out and in. Jazz box quarter turn, point, step, stomp, stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Drop It Low. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I'm carrying the club with me, from Miami up to Tennessee, turn a dive into a VIP. carrying the club with me. Down on Broadway where they don't see door. Or out in Paris, everybody know. No matter where I be, I'm carrying the club with me. South Beach to the nasty streets. When you call me, you need it jumping. Be close to the house parties. Pull up and we get it bumping. One stop, yeah, I'm all you need. That night, but the bass be thumping. Speakers pumping, bottles bubbling, boosters stomping. It's you and Louis Vuittons. Or them fresh Daisy Dukes. We make the hole in the walls look like the Lilas at two. Till DJ tearing it up. Mixing just straight and Snoop. I'm looking at drugs, booze, Billy Cool. You know how I do. Swing it down, drop it low, ride it like a rodeo. She don't like it, she love it. Yeah, swing it down, drop it low, ride it like a rodeo. She know as soon as I walk in, yeah, I'm carrying the club with me. From Miami up to Tennessee, turn the dive into a VIP. I'm carrying the club